टुडे विल बी मेकिंग हाइबिस्कस ऑयल, जिसके लिए मैंने लिया है 3/4 कप ऑफ हाइबिस्कस फ्लावर पेटल्स। ये जो मैंने पेटल्स लिया है, दीज आर द ड्राइड वंस। तकरीबन 3 to 4 days लगे हैं मुझे इसको ड्राई करने में। ये देखिए इस तरीके से पेटल, सिर्फ पेटल्स लेना है हमें, पोलन और वगैरह दूसरे पार्ट्स को अलग कर लीजिए और पेटल्स को अच्छी से धूप में सुखा लीजिए। हाइबिस्कस हेयर ऑयल इसलिए बना रहे हैं, इट हेल्प्स यू इन फास्टर हेयर ग्रोथ एंड कंडीशंस द स्कैल्प। कौन से भी हेयर एंड स्कैल्प रिलेटेड इश्यूज के लिए हाइबिस्कस इज द बेस्ट वन अकॉर्डिंग टू आयुर्वेदा। Naturally, it smooths your hair. और जो पेशेंट्स एलोपेशिया से सफ़र हो रहे हैं उनके लिए तो बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। You can apply the oil or you can do one thing, take the hibiscus flower petals, the fresh ones, and directly make a paste into that, और आप directly apply कर सकते हैं mixing in with the oil or curd or with the lemon scalp के लिए। So it's a wonderful conditioner. If your hair is falling severely, then make paste of hibiscus flowers petals as I already told you and apply to the scalp. Now coming to the oil, I took coconut oil for this hair oil preparation. You can go for the virgin coconut oil, but I didn't get the virgin coconut oil. I'm taking the parachute coconut oil. मैंने तकरीबन लिया है 500 ml of parachute coconut oil in a steel bowl. Why I'm taking in a steel bowl is that I'll be using the double boiler method for this oil. So as everybody knows, coconut oil is full of vitamins and fatty acids, and it is a great hair conditioner. It helps in promoting hair growth. और जिसके भी बाल बहुत ही फ्रिजी है, uncontrollable है, so it lowers the frizziness also. And now let's start the preparation by double boiler method. For this, I took a shallow pan और इसमें मैंने ऐड कर लिया है water and heat the water for nearly 5 to 10 minutes. Our water is ready. Now keep this steel bowl with the coconut oil. Add the dried hibiscus flower petals to the oil and heat the oil until 15 to 20 minutes. जैसे हम लोग बाहर निकलते वक्त फेस पे, अपने फेस पे सनस्क्रीन लगाते हैं, सिमिलरली दिस कोकोनट ऑयल acts as a hair sunscreen. Very good conditioner है, and whenever we apply it on our scalp, it soothes the scalp. And this hibiscus hair oil is very good for the dry hair. Coconut oil including hibiscus दोनों अपने बालों को बहुत ही soft बना लेते हैं. You can see the oil changes the color very slightly. Sometimes it changes to red, depends on the quality of the hibiscus flowers we are using. Now here, because I have used the dried ones, the infusion is very slow. अगर आप the fresh petals लेके अगर इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो infusion will be very fast. इस तरीके से अपने ऑयल को 15 से 20 मिनट तक बॉईल कर लेना है और इसे ठंडा होने दीजिए। ठंडा होने के बाद में you cover this with a lid and keep it overnight, so that you can find a little bit of infusion in that. We took the steel bowl for the double boiler method. As everybody knows, we are not going to lose the values of the coconut oil and the hibiscus petals. And here, after keeping for overnight, now you can see the slight change in the color. ये देखिए, oil has changed into light yellow color. Now you can drain the oil in a glass jar. I'll prefer the glass jar over the plastic ones. So I'll always note it down because I'll be using many other oils also. So इस तरीके से मैंने लिखा है, नोट करके रख लूँगी so that I don't get confused with the oils. Use a sieve for draining the oil. इस तरीके से ऑयल को अच्छे से फिल्टर कर लीजिए. You can keep those dried hibiscus petals in the bottle also for few more days. Later you can sieve it. But now I am filtering the oil. Glass jar prefer करिए because it increases the shelf life also and it doesn't harm anything kept inside the bottle. Here we have filtered the oil. Now close the lid and keep it aside. Here is the hibiscus oil ready, which is very useful for hair growth and other issues of the hair.